in the garage series, September the 28th, 2016. Fixed the fuel leak on the 79 5.3 project yesterday. Hose had burst on the top of the tank for the return line, so I put a piece of hose on. I should have changed the hoses. It was original hose. I should have changed them. Still got the original feed line up there too. So I might want to change that in the future, but I'll worry about that when it's time for the car to hit the road. The worked on the exhaust system, and I cut the ear off the transmission, and it made a lot of room so I could get in there with a tool to tighten up that bolt inside the tight area of the bend in the exhaust pipe. And so it made the room I needed right in this area right here, because the stud sticks out about that far, and I can't get a long socket over it, and short socket isn't long enough because the stud sticks protrudes through it too long. Alright, so I was able to get in there with the extension and a crowfoot type wrench. Once I tried to tighten it up. I couldn't get it tight on this side, because the more I tighten it, the more it raised the pipe up, and the bend is a little off, because I don't think he welded this side exactly where I had it. I think he might have moved and he got metal in here from where he welded it. I think he might have left a gap, so that little gap, so he can get metal in there, cause the pipe to be too far forward towards the floor. The kick, changed the kick. So what I did was I took it to a local shop and put a little bend here and bend the pipe down a little bit. So I'm gonna go change my clothes and put this pipe up and see how she does, and update in a little while. Okay, the exhaust is up. The little bit of bend that DJ Shop did for me gave me just enough room to bolt up the tailpipe to the manifold collector. I got to get another hanger for the muffler, and right now I got one hanger holding the tail way at the back, and I'm gonna crank it up and see how it sounds. That's the exhaust. It should be all buttoned up in the front, so it shouldn't be any leaks. Shouldn't be any leaks up front, but you never know. That's why you keep working and testing. Alright, let's see how she sounds. Let's close this door first. Keep the exhaust fumes from going upstairs as much as possible. Alright. Moment of truth, man. Moment of truth. Truth. I see the heat turn. Battery. Okay, so good. Hearing some leaks at the muffler um, under the car, and I want to get some more. I got some what's names on it, some U clamps on it right now. I'm going to uh, upgrade to some more band style clamps, um, and it should be good after that. But sounds healthy. Sounds much better with an exhaust system on it now. All right.